CSC, School of Computing. So, what are the course content we discussed today? Analyzing of social media data, reduction to sentiment analysis, the phase in the sentiment analysis, package requirement for sentiment analysis in Python, and NLTK, there is a natural language processing toolkit. NumPy, there's a numeric Python, and Pandas, Plotly, Panto, how to fetch the Facebook data, program explanation, and more. Okay. So first, we why we need for the analyzing of Facebook data. There is a major role for the today. The Facebook user statistical for today. In 2020, the social media is one of the best way for the people to connect one to another. The number of people online on the mobile on social has increasing year on year according to the Global Digital Report 2019. The number of internet users worldwide in 2019 is 4.4 billion, up to 9.1 years on year. There's a 4 billion for 2020. The number of social media users in worldwide in 2019 is 3.5 million, up to 9% year on year. The number of mobile phone users in 2019 is 5.1 billion, up to 2% year on year. There has a rise in alternative platforms like the Twitter, WhatsApp, and so on. Still, the Facebook is the still top of the social media. So we have in social media. What is the main role for in our WhatsApp, Facebook, then Twitter? Then there is a percentage wise the users are using. In a Facebook is a major role for the 2.3 billion people using. There is a main role for the social media. Now Facebook, there is a main three important key factor for the Facebook. Actually, there is a 2.2 million people are using in the user in highest among the social media channels, and 400 Facebook user the sign up for the every minutes. Then the 5 billion new Facebook user added in the daily. Second one, how the people use the Facebook. The 80% people are using as the mobile phone, 60% are using as the platform daily, and 43% using as the news from the Facebook. Third point is the Facebook is a huge player in the online advertisement, this marketing. Nowadays, the 75% is based in social medias. Okay, the Facebooks have around the world. There's a 79% using for the American people, and 20% of the people popular using the Facebook, and 400 the number of new Facebook users do the signing in every minutes, and 83 of parents with the teenage age of 13 to 17 are friends with the child on the Facebook. So the Facebook user statistic, that is a very important role for the Facebook. 22% of global population using Facebook. 400 number of new Facebook users who are sign up every minutes. The 583 million number of fake account of the Facebook removed in 2018. And 83 of the parents with the teenage 13 to 17 are friends with the child on the Facebook. The 26.3% of Facebook users sharing in the world online population, 1 billion number of mobile on only the Facebook user. The 5 million new Facebook user are being added in daily. 338, the average meaning number of Facebook friends, 35% of fake advertisement, and below the 25 years of old, and 66% of Facebook user use the platform daily. So 2050 billion total number of photos uploaded to the Facebook. The 300 petabytes, the total number of data in the Facebook is data warehouse. So that reason only is mainly we have to use the Facebook in social media. In your Asian wise, the India is the toughest Facebook user in the social media. In India, 251 billions user in the Facebooks. Then next we go for the introduction to sentimental analysis. What is a sentimental analysis means? If, for example, we have to review the comments. For example, there is a review segment on the iPhone. I bought an iPhone few days ago. It was such a nice phone. The touch screen was really cool. The voice quality was clear too. However, my mother was made with me as I did not tell her that before I bought it. She also threw the thought the phone was too expensive and want to be returned into the stock. There is your review segment on the iPhone. So how to comment it, how to review comment it is given. If, for example, I bought an iPhone few days ago. It was a nice phone. It touch screen was really cool. The voice quality was clear too. If you're using, if you're nice touchscreen, then it's cool, clear, then voice quality. These all are positive opinion. So second, the fifth one, sixth one is we are used. However, my mother was made within me. I did not tell her before I bought it. She thought the phone was too expensive and want to return into the shop. So if you use the expensive and that is your negative opinion. So we have to classify for the positive opinion, negative opinion, and neutralized opinion. So how to classify for the there is a review segment on the iPhone. This is small is a segment we have to classify for the positive opinions and negative opinions and neutral opinions. So first you have the definition about what is sentimental analysis. The sentimental analysis is one of the most popular application of the natural language processing. The sentimental analysis refer to the process of determining whether the given piece of the text is positive or negative. This is a technique commonly used to discover how the people feel about a particular topic. This used to analyze the sentimental of user in various forms, such as marketing, campaign, social media, e-commerce, customer, and so on. So I have to. There is again the sentimental analysis. Nothing but is of opinion mining or emotional artificial intelligence. Refer to the use of natural language processing, text analysis, computation linguistic, and biometric semantic systematically identifying. That's the extract and qualify and study of the effect of state and subjective information. So there is a sentimental analysis, nothing but for ISO is a combination of natural language processing, text analysis, computation linguistic, is all is for there is a sentimental analysis. So what are the phases for the sentimental analysis using? So very important phases. First one is pre-processing the data, then is your second is a processing of a linguistic normalization, then classification and sentimental classes. First one is a text input. Normally, in a sentimental analysis mean your input is a text. Your text taken from the Facebook or Twitter or your mobile phone message or any command, any review commands. That is the input data. What is a tokenization? Data tokenization is nothing but for you. The text paragraph into small, such the word and sentence is called as the tokens. Stop word. What is the stop word mean? In natural language processing, useless words data refer to the stop word. The stop word is the most commonly occurring word of such as the, and, in, is. This all is a unuseless words which are not relevant to the context of the data, do not here contribute any deeper meaning to the piece. Next one, there is a negative handling. So for token and stop words, we are using pre-processing of the data. Next step is negation handling and streaming. Negation, there is both are the processing of linguistic normalization. So negation handling means in linguistic negation is way of reversing polarity of the words and phrase and every sentence. It is also important to determine range of the word that effective of the negative words. What is the streaming? The streaming is a process of linguistic normalization. It process of reduce the implementation words. That is a we have to choose the root of the words. For example, if you use troubled, troubles, troubling, that's the word is a normal word. That is a normal word. If your root word is a trouble, so the root is a case may not be real root word, but just canonical form of the original word. Example, connection, connected, connecting. This a word is reduced, the common root word is connect. Next, classification. It's a classification. There is a so classification means so next one is a classification. It's a sentimental, the sentimental of there is a classification techniques. So sentimental analysis means we have to classify for the two way. One is a machine learning approach. Next one is a lexical based approach. There is a machine learning approach means we know about supervised learning and supervised learning. The supervised learning means there is a decision tree classification, linear classification, rule based classification, and property classification. The linear classification means support vector machine, neural networks, deep learning. Then property classification again you are used for the AB bias techniques, biasing networks, and maximum entropy. So next, if you are lexicon-based analysis, we have to based on the dictionary approach and corpus approach. Corpus approach means we have used the statistical and semantic. So now you have to in this your Python program, you have to use only for the lexical approach of the Python codings. So what are the applications for the sentiment analysis? The first one is the consumer information, the product review, the marketing, the consumer attribute and trends, the politician, then social. This application of the sentiment analysis. Now we have to record for the Python package for the feedback data analysis, the Facebook data analysis. So what are the package we are using as the Python programming? If your first one is a NumPy, so it's a numerical Python packages, then Anaconda, then Matplotlib, and natural language toolkit. That is an important package for use for the Facebook data analysis. So what are the basic? There's a package requirement sentiment analysis in Python. First one is a natural language toolkit. It is used to understand the human natural language. Next, NumPy. This NumPy means numerical Python. It's a Python package used to scientific and computation method in the Python. Then third one is a Pandas. The Pandas, the Python modules, it used to data pre-processing and analysis. Then Matplotlib. It is a Python 2D plotting library. It used in the visualization of the your data. Then Facebook SDK means it's a Facebook graphical API. So what is NLK? There is a natural language toolkit. It is a suite of the library file and program for the symbolic and statistical natural language processing in the Python to word with the human language data. It is this include artificial intelligence, empirical linguistics and cognitive science, and information retrieval and machine learning. So how to install for the NLP mean? First we have to open the Anaconda software in Python. It's a first install the Anaconda software mean we have used for the Anaconda NLTK. That is if you use PFP, that's a Python install package mean we have install NLK. Next, what is numerical Python? So numerical Python is Numerical Python is a library consists of multi-dimensional array object. It uses the mathematical and logical operation on the array can be performed. It is the Python package used to scientific computational method in Python. If you are install using Anaconda, if you are use C Anaconda NumPython, if you are using for the PIP, install NumPython. So we have to use the two way we have to use. One is Anaconda or using for Python install package. Next, what is Panda? The Panda is a fast and powerful and flexible and easy to use the open source data processing and data analyze and manipulate the tool built on the top of the Python programming language. It is offered the data structure operating for the manipulating numerical table and type series. If you are first installing the Anaconda, after we install for the Panda software, Santa package and installing PIP mean we are installing directly install for the pandas. Next, what is the matplotlib? If a matplotlib already we discussed, this is a visualization purpose. If you have 2D plot library for the Python programming language and numerical mathematical extensive numerical Python. It is your Python module used for data visualization and 2D plotting for the representation of the data. If you use the Anaconda mean, you are directly load the package of matplotlib. If you use PIP mean, you directly install for the matplotlib. Any one software we have to use. Next, Venter. This is a main classifier. This is if you are used for the classifier. It's a lexical classifier. It's a Venter mean nothing but for you. The Venter, our dictionary and sentimental listener. There is a most important classifier for the sentimental analysis. It is a lexical and ruleful sentimental analysis tool that special sentimental expression in the social media. The vendor not only tell about the positive or negative score, but also tell you about the how the positive or negative sentiment is. If you install vendor sentimental. So next Python program explanation with the Domo. So how to fetch the Facebook data? There are many ways to fetch the Facebook command. Those are first one is a Facebook graphic API. Second, the direct download from the Facebook. Third one, downloading from the another dataset providing site. Next, for the demonstration purpose, let's use the Facebook command dataset from the Kaggle website, which the best dataset provider. For the code, we going to use Kendall.txt for analyzing of the Kendall Amazon Facebook command. So major step be the following. So first downloading the Facebook command from the Kaggle site and save the text format. Second one, pre-processing the data through the Natural Language Toolkit library. We first tokenize the data and then after tokenize we stems and limitize. Pause the command using the vendor library. Classify each command as the positive or negative or neutral. If for example I take the sample data from the Facebook, that is one of the sample data from the Kaggle. First step, I have to import for the record package. What are the packages I have to import for NLP package? Name NumPy, Pandas, Matplot, and all the files are we have to import it. Then open the data. So second step, if you open the data source. First, we open the name Kendall, which download from the Kaggle site and save the local disk. If you use the command with open Kendall.txt, if you are using text database, therefore we are using .txt encoding iOS. That is you are using for the encoding data. That is a sample data. Next, the third step, tokenization. Tokenization means pre-processing of the data. Pre-processing of the data. After open the file, pre-processing the text, tokenization, systemize, and mimetize. The tokenize the text is split the word from the tokenize. Already we discussed what is tokenization. Tokenization nothing but for the pre-processing of the data. If you have paragraph, the paragraph split into the words. The split the word from the text. Okay. Third step, the stemming. There is a very important stemming. The stemming is nothing but for the root of the words we have to find out. How to root of the word we have to find out mean. For example, I have used the command connecting, connected, connects. Okay, if your root of the word is only connect. So that purpose we are using for the third step stamping. Fourth step, classification. Classification means if you are using for the vendor, vendor is a lexical data analytic classification. If you are rule-based analysis, there is a rule-based text and feature extractions. These are generally labeled according to the sentimental orientation and positive or negative. The sentimental analysis not only the tell about the positive and negative score, but also tell us the about of how the positive or negative sentiment is. So we have to use the second classification, that is output. So what are the steps? First, if you go for the sentiment analysis using Python programming, first we have to install for the Anaconda. There's Anaconda, install the Anaconda. After you have to open for the Jupyter notebooks. Then we have to use, if you are installed for the if you are pre-processing data, mean we are used for the numerical Python, and we are used the statistical analysis when we have to use for the there is a plotting data, then tokenization. This all tokenization, then streaming and classification. Vendor is a classification of the your data. Now, what is output? For example, I have to give on the key. There is a input is here is the sample output of the code. Okay, I given the word is I love my Kindle. I love my Kindle. For example, I the stream of I. That's so I is a root word of this. I is a root word. I use I. Love stream as a love. My stream as a stream words and Kindle. I love. Let's say I is a lemma. That is a I. Then my lamp is a my, candle is a lamp. So I use I neutral, love is your, well, there is a neutral words, my is words, and candle is a neutral word. So your command, your final result is negative is 0, 0. Your component is 0.63. Then neutral is a 0.32. Your positive is a 677. But your input is given. I love my candle. This is my command is I query is given. But my result is positive value. So I love. If you are using positive word is love. So I given for the positive command is the sentimental analysis is a positive. So I use for the I have to run the code. I open for the Anaconda Navigator. So first I open for the Anaconda Navigator. Then I open for the Jupyter notebooks. So in my code is I already install. I had already run the code. Facebook sentiment analysis. Step by step, I have to explain for you. So step by step, I have to install. So I have to install for the step by steps. First step, I import all the record library files. For example, all the library files are loaded. Since what are the files are loaded for you? Then there's a WordNet, then Window, then there's a natural language toolkits. Next, I import for the all the files. So first I import the files. Then second step, there's a second step. We open the file, the Facebook data dot text. So open open data Facebook data dot text. Third step, after we open the file, pre-process the text from the tokenization. So we tokenize the data. So how to tokenize for the data mean? I have to split up the words. All the words are split to the stop. There's a split for the unused. There's a split of the words. Next step, we have to pre-process. You have to tokenize the data for the one by one tokenize the data. Then third step, we have to that is a normalization of the linguistic normalization of the data one by one. Then fourth step, part of the speech, toggle for the tokens, select one by one. Then fifth step, here we are using for the classification. One by one, we have to use for the classification techniques. So after classification, the result is we got for the example I given the data, the result is got the compound, there are 8.948, the negative is 0.05, neutral is 0.8, the positive is 0.1. Second, always is a great values. So for second one is I given 0.8588, the negative is 0.0, neutral is 0.2, the positive is 0.3. I love mine, I given the keywords. Next sample I given. Next of all, next text, just I given the text. I like Satyabama University. Just I given the text. If you are first we pre-processing the data and normalizing the data and classify the data, mean if you given the command, for example, the command is the compound value is a 0.361.2, the negative is 0.0, the neutral is 0.44. In your positive command is 0.556. If you are using like that for that purpose, your text is I like Satyabama University, but I have the positive command. If you are positive in there's a positive command in 0.5 and this is sentiment analysis. Next I given the text. Next text I given I came to have the ice cream in the window. So I have to come. There's a negative is 0.381. The neutral is 0.61. The positive there is a positive command 0.50. The reason is there is a sentimental. I given the keyword is there is a hate. Next one. Next I given the keywords. I bought the iPhone, which I love it, but it was too expensive. So my head. So I have used first the I use as the what there is a I use only for the positive command. There is only the positive command is your only we get for the positive values. So your only we got for the negative value is 0.55, 0.59. The negative there is a positive value is 0.28. The negative is 0.117. So always finally we have to sentimental analysis for the Facebook using Python programming. So what are the steps we have to follow? First one, input data is the Facebook data. Then second one is a pre-processing. Pre-processing means we have to use for the tokenization and stopcodes. Next, we have to normalization. So normalization, lexical normalization means we have distancing. Third one is a classification. Then finally we have to sentimental analysis the data. That is a final way to we have to explain for you. So dear students, in our 15 it only 3 topic is there. One of the topic is there is a Twitter analysis, another one is Facebook analysis,